Hello again, this is Monty with Country Living. I'm here because I'm going to show you my review on my winch and the winch I bought. I purchased a Badlands ZXR 3500 winch from Harbor Freight. Here's the box on it. I've already used it. I've had to use it quite a few times out there at creek where we ride at, and I will show you the creek and the rocks today. But on my winch, super easy to install. Here's my Yamaha that I saw that I put it on. I've got synthetic rope on it, and there's the bracket for it, the wiring. I'll show you how I did all my wiring, and the way I did mine is different from most, but it actually works. There's a brace right there in front of the radiator, and I just tied onto the control right there, zip tied everything, tied it into the battery, and I ran everything around, and so far all the water has hit it because I've actually sunk my side-by-side up to the grill, and I haven't had any problems. I actually ran my external plug for the winch right there, so I didn't have to drill any holes. I just pushed it through the grill. Didn't have to drill any holes, so I didn't have to tear up my side-by-side. And I still can reach it with the cable for the front, because in case I'm out of the side-by-side, I can reach it and winch it up. I've got the tie-down strap. There's my external switch, and it's actually used quite a few times whenever I go out to the creek. I haven't had a problem out of it. The synthetic rope holds up very well. It's worth the money, and everybody told me to buy a Warren winch, but instead I went with a Badlands because I actually wanted to see how it was, and I've got a 2-year warranty on it. And so if I have a problem, the only thing they told me I have to do is put it back in the box, bring the box and the receipt, which I've got the receipt on my email, and I can swap it out for a brand new one. I don't know how Warren is, because you have to get it off the internet, where this, I got it at Harbor Freight, and the only thing I have to do is go down to the local Harbor Freight and I could pick me up a new one. So far I haven't had any problems. It's 3 spools easy switch. Just flip it back and forth, and the connections are really super simple. So if you have any questions about it, please comment, and if you would, please like and subscribe to my page, and I'm going to get more reviews on other things that I've installed on my side-by-side. Again, please like and subscribe, and this is Monty with Country Living. Thank you.